Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a review of the Oex Meru base camp stove. Um, it came yesterday. I was going to have a play with it last night. I quickly did a board test and whatever last night. But I thought today I've not seen many of them online. There ain't many reviews on the internet on them either, on YouTube and whatever. So I thought I'd make a review of the video of unboxing it and showing you the contents and whatever else. So let's check it out. So here it is, Oex Meru base camp cooking system. I didn't know the system existed by sheer chance. I was looking for a stove for my kit, to upgrade my kit, and I stumbled across this. Somebody doing a review on it on YouTube. So I decided to go on Outdoors and check it out on there. And funny enough, they had one in stock, and I thought, great, I've got to have that. So I went online, seen it, thought, right, okay, I'll buy that. So I did. Here it shows you the contents of the box. Shows you like the whatever that says there, and also it's also got specifications on the back of here. So like you got the the contents of what's in the pot here. It also tells you specifications of what's what. Tells you the wattage of the gas burner inside. You can see it's 1600 watts. And it comes with a carry bag and whatever else. Now I have had this apart yesterday, and it was all covered in plastic bags and whatever else. So I've removed all those just to help speed things up a little bit. So here we go. Here's the contents of the box. Let's open them up. Right. As you can see, you get the caution monoxide can kill and all that malarkey paperwork in there. That's that. That's that. Also gives you a table with the capacity, the boil times, and what the gas consumption is. On here you got an instruction manual. Shows you the contents of the box. An important notice: carbon monoxide can kill and use outdoors. And then you've got the pot itself. It comes in a net bag. Keep it all together in a nice little bundle. So I'll open them up. I'm not really keen on the net bag. It does feel a bit thin and feel like it may tear easy if stretched too much. Let's get the this band off. As you can see, it's held in there. So I'll just peel them off like so. Also, almost kind of remind these bands. Kind of also remind me. I don't know if any of you have seen the film Borat. That suit he's wearing. Kind of reminds me of that for some reason. Right, so here's the lid. We've got a frying pan. With the X marked on there. Well, that was a canister I left in there because I was messing around with it yesterday. So yeah, got the frying pan. We've got a little bag in here, which the burner is in. I'll have a look at that in a second. You also get a handle for the pan. So obviously when you go to pick up the pan, it's in there, like so. And you get a couple of saucepans as well. You've got a it's like a 2 litre size saucepan, again with the X marked on it, a nice flat bottom on it. It's all got a nice anodised aluminium finish on it. And you've got a bigger one, which is a 2.8 litre pot, again marked with the X on it. It's all smooth bottoms, no heat sink or patterns or anything on there. And then you get the well, I guess you call the windbreaker as well, the thing that holds it all. Got a couple of legs on the bottom here. Looks like got 3 that fold down. And you've also got 3 inside, which are like the pan supports as well. You can see it's looks so cosy. Give them the next mark there. Right, and the burner itself comes in this little black duffel bag. Yeah, so this is the 1600 watt burner. Runs off the isobutane mix canisters, screw-on canisters. Like this one here. It's got that connector on it. Oh, sorry, shaking the camera, so we can get it to zoom in. Yeah, so yeah, it's these ones. Most of you probably know what these are. Yeah, and the burner fits down inside the casing down in here. Got 3 prongs. We've got like a step there, as you can tell, and you clip him down into there like so. Excuse the focus, not a very good camera on this. Right, and there you are. So the stove's in there. You've got the thing on there, you put the gas canister on there. Then light it, and when you're ready to go then, stick them on there. Now I'll take this outside, we're going to set them up, and we'll do a boil test with them. Another thing I just realised as well with this is this platform's raised, it stands above the ground. You could actually use one of these, a spirit burner off a Trangia or something similar. You sit them over like that, and this burner bit actually fits through the middle of this hole here. So you could actually stand him over like that. So you could also use it for burning spirit stoves with as well. That's quite nifty. So not only you can use it for the gas as well, if you haven't got that, or you want to use a spirit burner instead, you can use one of those instead. So I thought I'd just show you the flame pattern on it as well, before I do a boil test on it, just so you can see it. Hopefully it'll come up on the camera. Oh, there we go. So you can turn it down for a simmer. You kind of have to be careful with the control on the canister. Like a momentary delay between you turning it up and turning it down. Yeah, so I can get it nice and low down, so I can get a steady simmer on the go. Right, so here we go. Let's do a boil test on this. I've used half a litre of water, so tap temperature, which would be about what, 10-12 degrees, something like that. So let's do a boil test and get it going. You can put the frying pan on the top and use it as a lid as well. can hear bubbling in the bottom already. Yeah, I think you'd want to be a little careful taking the lid off when you've boiled some water on it, I think. Use it as a lid, it's pretty warm. Go up to 3 minutes now, I'll take the lid off and we'll have a look, see what's going on. Look, I'm just starting to come to a rolling boil. Yeah, I think it's safe to say that's a rolling boil. Yeah, rolling boil within 3 minutes 25 seconds. Give or take a few seconds. I'll say around the 3 minute mark. It's taken to boil hot, just under a pint of water. So that's not bad. That's pretty good. Right, so my initial thoughts on the stove. Yeah, it's a good little stove. I like it. It's a nice compact little unit. All the pans fall down into each other. The burner goes in with it. You could even put a small, maybe a medium-sized gas bottle in there if you wanted to. Yeah, it's a very self-contained unit. The elastic band is not nice and durable. I'd say that'll probably last. It's certainly not a backpacking set. It's probably a bit big and bulky to be going into like a rucksack or something like that. But I'd say like if you're going camping, car camping, or even motorcycle camping, it'd be ideal for that sort of thing. Motorcycle camping especially because it's all in there and what you need. Yeah, overall I'm quite impressed with it. I'm a bit skeptical about the frying pan on the top because the burner's very central and being so high up. Do have concern about the heat being quite sort of like central on the pan. It might burn the middle of the pan, but I'll have to do cooking on it and give that a try. I've not actually physically cooked on the stove yet, so we'll see how that pans out. I'll be sure to do a video of that, me doing some cooking with a frying pan on it. I didn't let the water go to the waste on the boil test. I've put the water to good use and made myself a cup of tea. Yeah, don't mind me, I'm a bit of a cock, right, you know. Good cup of tea. Yeah, it's certainly worth for me. It's worth the investment. I've enjoyed having a play with it. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Sorry the camera was a bit jittery. I'm just doing this with my mobile phone, which I don't have a very good camera and a selfie stick, so I apologise for the shaky camera and poor focus. Maybe that's something I can upgrade later on down the time, or if I decide to get a new phone, I'll sort that out. But yeah, hope you like the video. Leave a like if you do. Subscribe. And comment below your thoughts on of this review of this video. I hope it's thorough enough and you've learned a thing or two by it, or and whatever else. Any suggestions, I'm also welcome to those. Like I said, comment below and let me know. And I'll see you next time.